tiny whoops are amazing, maybe even underestimated, and today my video is about how to make them better. On the example of my own one is drawn. This is not my typical video, let's call it Fetch Friday or Tuesday Fetch Day. I gained this knowledge empirically and I want to share it with you. Let's go. If you have something like this Acro B65 of mine, these improvements will be come in handy, but let's do everything in order. This is brand new Acro B65. It's not bad even off the box, but the frame is too heavy. So, change that to the lightweight, light AF racing frame like this one. The difference, let's compare. Okay, this one original frame has 3.8 grams and this one light version has only 2.3 grams. And these small grams are significant, crucial for these such small drones. Okay, done. As a next step, I recommended soldering the motors directly to the FC. A lot of energy is lost at the connectors. I understand that it's very convenient, especially when you're changing the frames or something, but just believe me, the drone flies much better in this way. And it will be good to get rid of the connectors itself. It's just unnecessary weight. Thank you, my friend, for help with it. Next is this fucking connector. It doesn't make any sense. It's just bullshit. We changed into BT 2.0 VOOC cable PKL by Beta FPV and of course switch to the same batteries such as this or maybe this. You can do all these improvements with this drone or just buy this one, for example AR65 or maybe Mobile 6. I'll leave all this link in the description and let's see how it flies after all of these improvements.